Today I am reviewing the MSI Raider 18HX Gaming AI Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MSI Raider 18HX Gaming AI Laptop is truly a beast designed for gamers and creators who demand the absolute best in performance, visuals, and advanced technology. This laptop packs some of the most powerful hardware available today, starting with an ultra-fast Intel 24-core Ultra 9 series 2285HX processor. To put it simply, this CPU outperforms even the Intel i9-14900HX, making it one of the fastest laptops on the market right now. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or running heavy-duty creative applications like 3D rendering or video editing, this laptop handles everything with impressive speed and fluidity. One of the first things you'll notice about the MSI Raider 18 is its massive 18-inch QHD Plus display with a 2560 by 1600 resolution. The screen uses an IPS panel and supports a blistering 240 Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-smooth visuals that gamers will appreciate. Additionally, the display covers 100% of the DCI P3 color gamut, providing vivid, true-to-life colors that also benefit creative professionals working on color-sensitive projects. This combination of size, clarity, and speed creates a truly immersive experience whether you're gaming, watching movies, or working on graphics-intensive tasks. Complementing the powerful processor and stunning screen is the dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card with 16GB of GDDR7 memory. This GPU supports the latest DLSS 4 technology, meaning you can enjoy ray-traced graphics and incredibly realistic gaming environments without sacrificing frame rates. This graphics card is a game-changer for competitive gamers and content creators alike, enabling high settings on the latest AAA titles with ease and accelerating rendering workflows for video editors and 3D artists. In terms of memory and storage, the MSI Raider 18 comes equipped with 32GB of RAM, which allows for seamless multitasking and running resource-heavy programs without lag. The 1TB SSD provides fast boot times and rapid data access, so your games, files, and applications load quickly. This amount of storage also offers plenty of room for your game libraries, creative projects, and other essential files. The connectivity options are also top-notch. You get 2 Thunderbolt 5 ports, 3 USB-A 3.2 ports, an HDMI 2.1 output for connecting to external displays, a 2.5 gigabits RJ45 Ethernet port for fast wired internet, and an SD Express card reader for quick file transfers from cameras and other devices. This extensive selection of ports ensures you can connect all your peripherals without needing additional adapters. The laptop runs on Windows 11 Home and features a 24-zone RGB backlit keyboard, which is customizable and perfect for gaming in low light or just adding some flair to your setup. It also supports the latest Wi-Fi 7 standard, which promises faster and more stable wireless connections, essential for online gaming and streaming. Audio is handled by Nahimic3 with Hi-Res audio certification, delivering crisp, immersive sound whether you're using headphones or speakers. For privacy, the laptop includes an FHD IR camera, and the bundled off USB-C hub further extends your connectivity options. Overall, the MSI Raider 18HX Gaming AI Laptop combines cutting-edge hardware, a beautiful and fast display, powerful graphics, and premium features to deliver a premium experience for serious gamers and content creators. It's a laptop designed to not just keep up with the latest software and games, but to excel at them, giving you the performance and visual fidelity you need to dominate your gameplay or produce your best work. If you're looking for an all-in-one powerhouse that blends speed, stunning visuals, and advanced AI features, the MSI Raider 18HX is an outstanding choice that won't disappoint.